going on, guys? Mikey T, producer and director of Jamaica Story, a documentary all about Jamaicans worldwide and those who love Jamaica, investing time as well as money into the country. Right now, we're on a crazy run. In 3 days, we're trying to film half of a short film, and we're trying to do a short documentary on Peter Ivey, the CEO of Mission Food Possible. What's going on, everybody? Mikey T here. As you can see, me and the big boss Banks setting up here, getting ready to do an interview at Dulce Lounge with Peter Ivey. As you guys can tell, it's a little gloomy here in Kingston, Jamaica. Earlier, we were filming a scene for my short film, Yuh A Call, with Apuku, and the rain came, so we had to change up everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's been a crazy couple of hours, but we're getting it done. Shout out to Cosmo on the camera over here. Make sure you guys tune in, check us out, see what we're doing. Here we are in St. Thomas, finally at just about 10:30, made it into the Airbnb. We left from Westmoreland earlier this morning around 6 o'clock. Came down here and we had two missions. The first mission was to film half of Yuh A Call, which is a short film that I produced, written by Raul Blaze, and starring Raul Blaze and Apuku. We went down to the waterfront to film a nice, sunny, tropical scene, and Murphy's Law it's called. If it can go wrong, it will. And the rain started tearing. We had to find ourselves in a parking lot, change up the dynamics of the scene, change up the flow, but we were able to get it done. After that, we left and we went to Dulce Lounge and we recorded an interview with Peter Ivey speaking about his organization, Mission Food Possible, and his journey becoming the world's leading advocate for food insecurity and the eradication of it. We're here in St. Thomas because tomorrow he will be hosting his marquee project, the training of canteen staff here in St. Thomas schools. Basically, the next 3 days, he'll be training them on how to use MVPs, which are the most valuable produce, in creative and innovative ways to be able to allow a more cost-effective meal and a healthier meal for the primary students. A lot of people don't think that this can be done. Film half of a short film and film a documentary all within the span of 3 days. But with amazing team members like Banks and Cosmo, it has to get done. It's not an option. So I hope you guys enjoy this process and enjoy seeing what we went through to make sure that you guys have inspiring content for the future. Thank you.
Difference in the area that we control. And in this room, we are food leaders, and we are about to become food leaders.
After a full day of learning about food, we really got hungry, so we went around town. We ended up going to the market, bought some brown provisions, bought some meat, bought some spices, and my girlfriend decided to team up some food. So we had a really great dinner.